man? Where'd they go? Back here?
Right.
You guys coming in this way?
Nope.
Where are you coming in at?
We just checked the discharges.
Okay.
Front door, that door was locked. There's a broken window in the back.
Okay. You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look close. No, thanks.
Hey, come on, stop it. Hands up.
Stop! The shots fired! Shots fired! I'm hit! I'm hit! Shots fired! Ah! Ah! I'm hit! Stop! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Stop! Stop! Get on the ground! Whoever's at the stop sign, he's running behind you. I'm hit. I'm bleeding out of my arm. Get a tourniquet on me. Get a tourniquet on me. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
We're good. We're good. Yeah, okay.
I'm bleeding.
You're good. You're good.
Get it on there.
Yeah, we're good. We're good, bro.
Yeah. You guys coming in this way?
Yep.
Where you coming in at?
We just checked the detached garage. Check the front door. That door's locked. There's a broken window in the back. Someone want to hold it? Yeah, there's a broken window. Door just closed. Door just closed. Hey, come outside with your f***ing hands up! Back door. Drop it! Hop over the fence, running northbound.